I think there is a lot of things that you would like to implement, but I think so the challenge is that I don't think so we can compare ourselves to the global shopping centers and retail. Those the countries that we keep on comparing ourselves to, be it the Middle East and the Southeast Asia, are at a very different level in terms of level of well-being and per capita income, etc. So I feel we are still away. Maybe another 5-10 years would be a different story when GDP rises in India, per capita income, which is now supposed to be tripling in the next 10 years. And that's when you will see the next wave of change.
Many times, Indians look to the West for inspiration and ideas. I think it will be useful to look to the East for ideas. To China to see the power of scale. If you look at the retailers in China, the kind of scale that they've created in a fairly short period of time is something that India can learn from. Or from South Korea, where the convergence between online and offline has been the most seamless any place in the world. Or from Japan, where you actually find that in small spaces, retailers are able to offer formats and experience that meet the different requirements of the consumer.
I think the trends which are happening globally are very rapidly coming into India. I mean, the lag is very short. So we develop apps internationally. It's seamlessly available in the country. So there is hardly anything that I can say of which we will do it in the future. It's all happening seamlessly.
I think we are more or less very close to the international malls today. I don't really see a big difference in terms of entertainment area, food. Then you have anchors and vanilla. I think you're very close to international market.